Hildegard of Bingen, a 12th century nun, left a trove of letters that reveal a scholarly priestess shaping science, theology, and the arts. In one correspondence with her confessor, she describes vivid visions and the natural world as a sacred library, insisting insight can be earned through study and prayer. Her practical notes on medicine and botany, drawn from plants she catalogued, influenced later medieval medicine and herbal knowledge. These letters also reveal a woman negotiating authority in a male-dominated church while guiding fellow nuns and lay followers. The writings traveled through centuries, inspiring later scholars and artists to value interdisciplinary wisdom.